Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my videos. This video I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about the Panasonic Lumix G7. It's a camera that I've been using to do all of my YouTube videos. It's been a good camera overall, but the autofocus just isn't as strong as I had originally thought it was going to be. And overall, I mean, I like the color science, but it's nowhere near what Canon colors can produce. So I've been a Canon user for a really long time, and I just love the overall way that Canons look. The pictures that come out of them, the video just looks amazing, and also if you have a camera that has C-Log, it's really easy to grade that color to match, very similar to like an airy or a red kind of look, more towards the airy look. I've seen tons of videos where, you know, people shot on Canon C-Log and just took an airy LUT, dropped it in, and I mean, you could put it side by side and almost not be able to tell the difference. So with that said, I have made the decision to essentially get rid of the Panasonic cameras and make the move back to Canon. The Canon overall, like I said, just gives a much better image, and I'm just a lot happier with it. The other thing is Canon has the fastest autofocus on the market. The dual pixel autofocus is just unbelievable. So what I've been doing is a lot of research on the various cameras that have been out there, and what I basically decided on is the Canon EOS R, because it gives you the 4K. I know that it's cropped, but it's still better than the Micro Four Thirds sensor, because you get a full frame sensor even when you shoot in HD. So a lot of my videos I produce in HD anyway, so I'm going to get it to take advantage of that full frame sensor. So I'm really looking forward to that, and of course once I have that in place, I will definitely do an update video, and you'll be able to see what that looks like, and I'll talk a little bit more about that to come. So until the next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.